One pic in honor of Mother's Day Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral add yours Instagram trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to go to our Instagram account, of course, and then from here you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my Instagram page you have to go to highlight, but let me refresh it. There we have it. Go to may add yours at highlights. If you go to my story, you'll have to know that all the stories will expire after 24 hours, so you may not find it there. But if you go to the highlight may I do yours, you will find it there definitely. Click here, and now you have to tap until you find the desired sticker, and it's the second one. Now you have to click on the others button, and if you are not able to click on the others button, once I will do the story for the video, I will show you also from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story, and afterwards I will show you that tutorial, so keep on watching. Like I said, now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo for your story. So I will go ahead and choose a random photo from Google because, yeah, I do not have such a pic. Now you can place your sticker where you want. Also the picture, you can click on it by using your two fingers and make it bigger or smaller. And now you can share your story with your friends. Click on the Your Story button from the left bottom corner. So, like I promised, now I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial if you are not able to click on the Others button. For this, you have to go once again on my YouTube, on my Instagram account, and click to super viral at highlights this time. You will find this first story, and it says not able to click on others button. Then you can click on this YouTube link right here. So if you go to this YouTube link, you just have to click on it and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video just like this one. It has only 2 or 3 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So make sure to check that if you have problems by clicking on the others button. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.